Hey guys, how's it going? This is Rahman with GreenTails Sustainable Products for building the platform. It's going to be fairly short, but basically this week I was focusing more on UI cleanup stuff. So I did redo a couple of my header styling here. So introduce some custom hand lettering typography to the brand. Then I cleaned up cards here, so Explore Green Products now actually matches what the design looks like. And then also linking that to the product pages that are also getting filtered by whatever you selected on. So that wasn't working before, but now the user can go in and they can select whichever pet type they're most interested in and view the products. So that's one update. Then my second update was mostly focusing on actually the products themselves. So I spent a lot of time going through the list of 200 products I found as a starting point for pet owners that are sustainable, eco-friendly, and I had to go through all of them and build categorization and filtering for them so pet owners can get really granular with what kind of products they're looking for. So this is the page when the users come in here. I experimented with the filtering UI, but basically they can see all the products, they can filter anything. Here it's live updates, so you don't need to submit anything. You just type anything in and it just filters in. And then when the user clicks on filters, this is where you can get really fine with details with it. So you can select your pet type. There's different levels of filtering opportunities. So there's categories, and it all cascades down. So depending like which main category you selected, it'll filter the subcategory. So every list is built dynamically based on the Supabase data structure from products. So I analyze basically what products exist, what tags they have, what category, subcategory, and this list is built on top of that. So, for example, dietary needs, there's a lot of options, but I'm filtering the most common ones or the most searched ones on Google. So vegan, raw, wheat free, and then you can select to show more filters, exclude allergens. So this was a big part also allowing pet owners to say, hey, my cat, allergic to shellfish, let's say. I want to exclude all the products that have shellfish products. East Turkey. So this is just a good example of how I envision pet owners using this tool. Um, then another big one, hence the name sustainable products, was sustainability practices. So again, I pulled the top six options that the most common or the most searched by people. So there's biodegradable, made in USA, compostable. So those are initial ones, but there's a lot more. And again, this list is dynamically getting pulled from those 200 products. Certification also is a filter that's pretty popular to filter by. So idea here is the way this is different from just like your regular e-commerce websites is we're not really selling products here. We're just our task is to find products for pet owners and go through them and try to analyze. And we're going to use the AI tool to basically check all the certification or licenses or any kind of description for that product in multiple places. So it's not going to be just one resource. So hopefully that will make pet owners search a lot easier, more convenient, and faster. That's for sure. Then another update I had was talking back about branding. I do have a updated design here. So this was initial design that we were going for. So this changed a little bit with introduction to the handwritten font. and different illustrations. So idea here is there's going to be a little more graphic on the landing page, and it's going to be basically focused on that one initial message. Again, introducing the hand lettering type just to make it a little more friendly or fun for branding, and the rest is probably stays the same. But yeah, that's my big update. Another thing I decided to go with is actually keeping my wait list for now and waiting on the launch of this website, because I want to actually generate more leads before I launch the site. So I need to be more active on social media and try to find a niche of pet owners and pet businesses and sign them up first in my wait list before I pull a trigger on this platform. But that's all the updates, and thanks for listening.